Hello, and welcome to the third episode of Law and Disorder. I am Manu. No, not that guy, pal. And as promised, in the last episode, I'm shooting this episode from Gurgaon right now, as you can see behind me. But let us talk about the more important shooting this week, which occurred at a district court. 3 lawyers were held in an incident related to shooting at the Tis Hazari district courts on Wednesday. While some people say that they were just filming the next season of Mirzapur, there are also reports that these peaceful shots were fired by aggrieved married men after the Supreme Court refused to entertain their plea of setting up a men's rights commission earlier this week. The statements of the accused were also recorded, and according to them, this incident was just to give real-life practical exposure to the interns working inside the court premises. Actually, the interns had asked about the Section 27 of the Arms Act 1959, and the seniors, after celebrating Guru Purnima the day before, went the extra mile and gave a live action illustration of the same. The Delhi Bar Association has also made certain amendments to its admission rules. And now, it is a prerequisite to have an arms license before applying for the Delhi Bar Association membership. Finally, it has also been reported that Rockstar Games are now planning to launch a new DLC expansion pack titled GTA Tis Hazari on popular demand. Moving on, in other news, the Karnataka High Court recently held that squeezing the testicles of a person is not attempt to murder, as long as you say "oh lululule" while doing it. Many renowned figures condemned the recent violence in France, claiming that it's very sad and concerning that they are afraid of visiting their favorite destination, Paris, right now. A lot of these renowned figures said, "What's that?" when asked about the Manipur violence. So jokes apart, I take this moment to raise awareness about what is happening in Manipur right now. I cannot go into the details, but please check the Leaflet's article on the same. The Supreme Court on Tuesday refused to entertain a public interest litigation challenging the use of male pronouns in certain provisions of the Constitution of India. While the PIL sought to replace the word chairman with chairperson to make the Constitution inclusive for all genders, the CJI immediately dismissed it. In light of this order, the Association of Furniture Manufacturers of India are now considering withdrawing their PIL, which seeks to replace the word chairman with tableperson to be more inclusive of all the furniture. The Delhi High Court canteen was recently revamped and made bigger to fit thousands of lawyers working in the premises. Thanks to the Delhi High Court Bar Association, now I can finally have my mutton qorma on Fridays in peace without fighting for my life for a table or a table person. Statistics show that every year 30,000 freshly graduated advocates enroll with the Bar Council of Delhi. Surprisingly, this number is much less than the Delhi lawyers who enroll on dating apps such as Tinder or Hinge every month. With this, we come to an end of this episode. Please subscribe to the Leaflet and help us grow. And I'll be back next week with more.